So I'm trying to replace my multimedia unit. For some reason this is not working anymore. My car is a Renault Symbol model 2017. So this one is not working anymore. It turns on but no sounds, and you cannot turn it off on. It's always on. So this is the one that is connected. So to remove this part, you will have to pry. Let me just put that one there. You have to pry somewhere over here. This one here, this one here, this here, here, and here, and that would remove. Now this thing is secured with this screw. Yeah, I don't know what is this, but it doesn't seem to be like a normal screw. So you need to have a tool like this, like a star or something like that, with 5 pin. So you have to remove from here and here and here and here. Now I have this one. This one, by the way, this is for the like the signal lights, and when you press it, clicks on the your turn signal light. So I'm trying to remove right now. Hopefully this will work. This is the one that I bought from AliExpress. I hope it will work. I'm not so sure if, yeah, this looks to be okay. This is like an Android multimedia one. Right, so I connected the rest of the connector that comes with the multimedia. It's pretty easy actually. You just have to make sure that, you know, when you connect, it clicks. So it doesn't actually you cannot go wrong, because all the ports and the connectors are in place, which means when you connect to a wrong port, it won't fit and it won't click. So that's how it is. That's how the wires are connected, and these are the connection at the back, which simply just, you know, just connected. Although there's only one thing that I couldn't figure it out, which is this one, this port from the car. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is for the controllers here next to the driving wheel, which will not work anymore when I tested it out on the how you may call it, on the original multi-box. This has a slot that you can connect at the back of the multimedia, but now nothing. So I don't mind this not working, because everything is working over here. When I test it out, seems to be okay. And this, so I gathered everything, and this, so, and this is how it will look like. So that's how it will look like. I have to put in the screws over here and then connect everything back. Okay, thanks. Okay, so I forgot to mention there's a GPS here that I put in. So you connect at the back and then you stick on the GPS. So I put in somewhere in here the GPS. Seems to be working. Later I will show you the output on it. Okay, so looks to be okay. This is how it looks. I haven't set the time yet. That's not important. This was the old one, very 90s version, and this is the new one that I've installed. Looks to be okay. I'll put in on the description link where I ordered this in AliExpress. It looks to be okay. It's nice. If I put in the radio, picks up the there you go. Looks to be okay. Yeah, seems to be working. I can put like that also, go back and put some, I don't know, music. So this one not work anymore. I press this one. It used to be low like that, so no volume. So I'm pressing this thing. So the volume would be here now. Bluetooth navigation. The Bluetooth seems to be working. I can call. Sorry, so I think the video got cut off when I tried to call Bluetooth. So, but it seems to be working. Yeah. Just don't know if I play music on Bluetooth, if that would be fine. Yeah, there's some kinds of settings which I'm not familiar with yet. There's navigation as well, which looks to be loading the my place. So this GPS has an antenna, and I put it somewhere over here. Yeah, so this looks to be a place loading my place. I've not tried this one in, but yeah. So that's how it looked like now on my car. So far I'm okay with it. Yeah.